This is all my fault. It's all my fault. Because I gave you the love much more than you ever deserved. You feel like a hero when you see me cry, but not anymore. Listen to me. Not anymore. Soon enough, your memories will leave my heart and I will be on my feet again. And I will never have to lose my sanity again because of you. My mama warned me, she would always say, be careful of who you give your heart, but I couldn't listen. I gave it to you again. And this is where we are. But no problem. I'm going to pick my broken pieces together and move on. It's all my fault.